So, very good morning, everyone. Children, in the previous class, we have just completed the 10th chapter, that is reaching the age of adolescence. So,
Good morning, sir.
very good morning. We have completed the syllabus for half yearly. Do you know the syllabus for half yearly exam? First term.
Yes, sir.
It is,
Yes,
it
sir.
is from chapter 1 to chapter 10. It is from chapter 1 to chapter 10. So before term 1 exam or half yearly exam, we are going to have our MCQ test, MCQ 2. Do you know that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Your
Sir, 1
MCQ,
to 10.
your MCQ test will be on 27th August. So it will comprise of 40 questions. Do you know that?
Sir, it is
Yes,
on
sir.
Yes, sir.
28.
Yes. It will comprise of 40 questions carrying 1 mark each, and these questions will be MCQ type. Okay, children?
Sir,
And the syllabus,
sir,
listen 1 minute, you first listen. And the syllabus for MCQ test is also the same as that for term 1. That is chapter number 1 to chapter number 10. Okay, is it clear?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Now today, who's talking? Don't disturb, don't talk in between, don't speak. It disturbs the class. Children, so today we are going to practice some multiple choice questions from chapter number 1 to chapter number 2, chapter number 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, Kushagra Sohel, you have raised your hand. What is your doubt? Please ask. Kushagra Sohel.
The test is on 28, not 27.
28.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check. Yeah, it may be on 28. Let me check. No, see, Kushagra,
Yes, sir.
the date for science MCQ is 27th August. Kushagra. Kushagra
Okay,
Sohel, are
sir.
you there? It is 27th.
Yes, sir.
It is 27th August, not 28th August.
Yes, sir, I am here.
See the date sheet.
Okay,
See
sir.
the date sheet. It is 27th August. Kushagra, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I see. Yes, sir.
Then why were you saying that it is on 28th?
No, sir, by mistake. Sorry, sir.
Kushagra?
Yes, sir. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. Now speak. Then why were you confused that it is on 28th instead of 27th? It is on 27th only.
Yes, sir, I am confused. Sorry, sir.
Now, have you seen the date sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will comprise of 40 questions, MCQ type, carrying 1 mark each. So now we are going to practice questions from chapter number 1 to chapter number 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
MCQ from chapter 1 to chapter 5. Okay. Please take out your notebook and note down the questions, and nobody will answer. Nobody will answer. Just you mark the tick against the correct option that you think. Then we will discuss and then we will solve. Okay. But nobody should interrupt in between. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, children.
Good morning,
Sachin,
sir.
yes. What do you want to ask? Very good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good morning.
sir.
Okay. Now listen. Question number 1. Question number 1. Write down. Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Is not a kharif crop? Which of the following is not a kharif crop? Your options are groundnut, groundnut, B, cotton, C, maize, D, mustard. Please, all of you note down the question and then we will solve. Okay? Question number 2. The science of, question number 2. The science of rearing, feeding, caring, breeding, caring,
Good morning, sir.
breeding, breeding, and utilizing animals animals is called A option animism, B is animal husbandry, C veterinary science, and fourth option is dairy science. Question number 3. Children, are you noting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Note down. Very good. Please note down.
So side, please. So side.
Yeah. The system of irrigation, the system of irrigation the system of irrigation wherein water is supplied, wherein water is supplied drop by drop, near the roots of plants, is called, please write down options: A, pulley system, B, sprinkler system, C, drip system, D, lever system. Now, since we have to rub these three questions, let us solve them. So, who is going to give the answer of first question?
Sir, me.
Sir, me. Sir, me.
1 minute.
Sir, me.
Sir, me. Sir, me.
Sir, me.
Harshraj, Harshraj, are you there?
Sir, me.
Harshraj,
Sir, me.
Harshraj. Nobody will say me. Okay? Nobody should say. I am asking Harshraj, can you answer this question? Harshraj, they are there, but they are not attending the class. They simply they have switched on the, they have login, but they are not actually attending. Rajab Khan, are you there?
Sir, side, please.
Yes, sir.
Rajab Khan, Rehan Khan, are you there? Rehan Khan. Okay, Rajab, answer the first question. Which of the following is
Sir,
not a
side.
kharif crop?
Side, please.
Rajab Khan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
answer the first question. Which of the following is not a kharif crop?
Sir, 1 minute.
Groundnut, coconut, maize, or mustard? Which is not a kharif
Sir,
crop?
may I?
Eh?
Sir, mustard.
Sir, me.
Sir, mustard.
1 minute, Rajab. Kushali, Karishma, why are you interrupting the class? Don't interrupt in between.
Sir, I am not interrupting, sir. Kushali is interrupting.
Okay, Kushali, don't speak. Nobody should speak when I am talking to an individual. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, Rajab. Rajab,
Yes, sir. Sir, I think mustard.
you think mustard? You are not sure.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Rajab Khan, do you know what are kharif crops and what are rabi crops? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the difference between rabi and kharif crops.
Sir, kharif crop are grown in rainy season and rabi crop are grown in winter season.
Okay. So, kharif crop, that means you have to find out the rabi crop. You know? Out of these, you have to find out a rabi crop. No? So, which is the rabi crop here? Yes, Khushali. Khushali, tell me. Khushali,
Mustard.
Mustard, okay. So, all of you mark
Sir,
the correct
mustard.
answer, mustard. All of you please mark the answer to the first question as mustard. Okay. Next question, question number 2. Question number 2 will be answered by, let me check who is there or who is not. This question will be answered by Aishwarya Bhotolia. Aishwarya Bhotolia, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Aishwarya Bhotolia,
Yes,
give
sir.
me the correct answer to this question.
Sir, option number B, animal husbandry.
Okay, the science of rearing, feeding, caring, breeding, and utilizing animals is called animal husbandry. All of you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aishwarya, now mute your mic. It is creating disturbance. Aishwarya Bhutolia, please mute your mic. Then third question. This question will be answered by Alzia Bano. Alzia Bano, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Alzia Bano, please answer
Yes, sir.
this question. The system of irrigation wherein water is supplied drop by drop near the roots of plants is called
Drip system.
Alzia.
Drip system. Drip system.
Drip system. Very good, very good, very good. So, have you noted these
please write.
questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
Now I'm rubbing the board and let us move on to another questions. Let us do some more questions.
Do not rub the last one.
Beta, I have to rub. Otherwise, we will not be in a position to take more number of questions. Okay? You have to be fast. That is why first of all, I am writing on the board and then I am allowing you to note down. But you have to increase your speed. Okay, children? Next question. This questions will be from second chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Which of the following reproduces only inside a host cell? Question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following reproduces only inside a living cell? Only inside a living cell. Living cell. Okay. Option A, bacteria. B, protozoa. C, virus. D, fungus. Please note down. You have to note the question quickly. Note questions. The gas released during the preparation of bread, is A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, D, sulfur dioxide. Okay. Next question. Question number 6. Children, please note down the question so that when we discuss, you are in a position to answer.
Okay.
Question number 6 will be a matching type question. Match the organism with its type. Column 1 में, column 1 and column 2. इधर हम लोग organism लिखेंगे and in the second column we will write its category. Okay. चलो. Lactobacillus, this is A, then B, C and D. Lactobacillus, aspergillus, then Spirogyra.
सर उधर साइड का दिख नहीं रहा है
है बेटा?
सर उधर साइड का दिख नहीं रहा है
It is, I think it is clearly visible. You please see.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Board is clear.
Paramecium.
It is clear.
Okay, very good. Please note down. And then here in the second column, we will write their category. उनकी category लिखेंगे. Algae. Second is protozoa. Then third is fungi. And fourth is bacteria. Again, I am repeating this question. We have studied that there are 4 categories of microorganisms. They are bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and algae. And virus is a non-living as long as it is outside a living host. But as soon as it enters a living host, it uses the metabolic pathway of the host and multiplies in number. Okay, so virus is living once it enters the living host, but it is outside a living host, it is non-living. Have we discussed, children, this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now have you noted this question? Now these questions are noted or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Now question number 4 will be answered by Yugraj Meena. Yugraj Meena, are you there? Yugraj Meena. Muskan Dhakad. Muskan Dhakad, are you there? They are not responding. Krishna Rebari. Okay, Chinmay, you answer this question. Chinmay, first you read out the question and answer. First you read out the question.
Yes.
Chinmay, can you hear me? Chinmay,
Virus.
first you read out question number 4 and answer it.
Sir,
Chinmay,
Virus.
I cannot hear Chinmay.
Sir, virus.
You have to read the question first. You have to read the question. Chinmay. Okay, Kusagr, you answered this question.
Sir, virus होगा.
But Chinmay, I'm asking you to read the full of all the options, all the 4 options. Then you have to answer.
Bacteria, protozoa, virus and fungus.
Sir, may I?
Yes, Alzia Banu, tell.
Question number 4 is following reproduces only inside a living cell. Option A, bacteria. Option B, protozoa. Option C, virus. Option D, fungus. The correct answer is option C, virus.
Just now I have mentioned no that virus are non-living as long as they are outside a living host, but they become living when they enter a living host using the metabolism of the living host. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now question number 5. Question
Sir,
number 5.
sir, may I?
Yes, Tejas Chaudhary, please answer.
Okay.
Tejas
The
Chaudhary.
the gas released during the preparation of bread is option A, oxygen, option B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, and option D, sulfur dioxide. The correct answer will be option C, carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Now, Tejas, I want to ask question related to this. You have said that this carbon dioxide gas is released during the preparation of bread. That means it is gas is released in the bakery industry. Can you tell me the process by virtue of which this carbon dioxide gas is released? Process, name of the process? Tejas Chaudhary, I'm asking you.
Sir, may I?
Tejas Chaudhary.
Sir, may I?
Tejas Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
I am asking you, can you name the process by which carbon dioxide is released in bakery industry?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Karishma, you tell please.
It is fermentation.
Fermentation takes place due to growth of fungus. Due to growth of fungus, it converts glucose into ethanoic acid. Sorry, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and carbon dioxide is released. Due to evolution of carbon dioxide, there is spongy. The food step becomes spongy. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this process is used for preparation of spongy cakes. Okay. So the answer to this question is carbon dioxide by the process of Tejas Chaudhary, by the process of See, children, you have to be there.
Fermentation.
Okay, fermentation. Very good. Next question.
Fermentation.
Match the organism with its type. Now, Karishma Meghwal will answer this question. Karishma, please tell me. Lactobacillus is a kind of.
Lactobacillus is a bacteria.
Very good. One by one.
Yes,
Lactobacillus
sir.
is a bacteria. Very good. What about
And
Aspergillus?
Aspergillus is a fungi.
Very good. Aspergillus is a fungi.
And Spargia is a algae.
Very good. Spirogyra is an algae. Very good.
And Paramecium is a protozoa.
Very good. So all of you please mark the correct answer. Lactobacillus is a bacteria. Aspergillus is a fungi. Spirogyra is an alga. Paramecium is a protozoa. Okay, all of you noted?
Yes, sir.
All of you noted or not?
Yes, sir. Noted.
Very good. Now, can we move on to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving on to the next question, children. I am rubbing the board now. Question number 7. We are going to see question number 7. Now see, this also question, this is a very important question because it includes the scientists and the discovery made by them. Okay? This is also a very good question, children. Question number 7. Match the scientists in column 1 with their discoveries in column 2. Okay, children? Okay?
Okay, sir.
So this question will be answered by Khushhali Gaur. No one else should speak. Khushhali Gaur, can you hear me now? Khushhali Gaur?
Yes.
Okay. Now be ready to answer this question. But now, not now. Once I write all the questions on the board, then we will discuss. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Column 1, then column 2. Louis Pasteur, Louis, Louis Pasteur. Second is Robert Koch. Third, Edward Jenner. Fourth is Alexander Fleming. Okay. Column 2 में this is A. Penicillin was discovered by, I have told you. B. Anthrax bacterium. C. Fermentation. Then D is smallpox vaccine. Question number 8. Question 8. which of the following groups contain all synthetic substances? Which of the following contains all synthetic substances? All synthetic substances. Okay. A option is nylon, terylene, wool. Nylon, terylene, wool. B, PVC, polythene, bakelite. C option, cotton, polycot and rayon. Cotton, polycot, rayon. D option, acrylic, silk, wool. Okay. Children, are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Children,
Sir, may I?
Khushali
Yes,
Gaur will
sir.
answer.
Sir, may I?
Khushali Gaur, I have assigned this question to Khushali, no? Khushali,
Yes, sir.
answer question number 7. Please answer.
Okay, sir.
Khushali, please.
Louis Pasteur,
Yes.
sir, Louis Pasteur, fermentation
Okay. Okay, very good. Louis Pasteur, fermentation. What about Robert Koch?
Sir, Thor bacteria.
Eh?
Sir, anthrax bacteria.
It is anthrax bacterium. Khushali, it is anthrax bacterium. Okay.
Oh,
Then Edward Jenner.
smallpox vaccine.
Very good. Edward Jenner discovered smallpox vaccine. What about Alexander Fleming? What did he do? Alexander
Penicillin.
Fleming. Alexander Fleming, what did he do? Khushali,
Sir, A
what
option.
is left? Penicillin. Discovery of penicillin. Credit of discovery of penicillin goes to Alexander Fleming. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Karthikeyan. Are you there? Karthikeyan. S. Karthikeyan.
Yes,
Are you
sir.
there?
Yes, sir.
Please answer this question. Question number 8. Please read out question number 8 and
Sir.
try to answer.
Your camera is not focused correctly. Sir, please read the question. I can't read.
Okay, then. Karthikeyan, you cannot read.
Yes, sir, I can't read.
I am reading it
I'm
for
not
you.
able
Please,
to.
please listen.
Hmm.
Can you listen?
Yes, sir, listening. I am not.
Which of the following contains all synthetic substances? The question asked, there are 4 given groups. Which of the following includes all synthetic substances? Okay. Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am giving the first option. First option includes nylon, terylene and wool. Nylon, terylene and wool.
Hmm.
Nylon, terylene and wool.
Okay,
B
sir.
option is PVC, polythene and bakelite.
Okay.
PVC, polythene and bakelite.
Okay.
Then third option is, yes, Karthikeyan.
No, sir.
Third option is
Yes, sir.
cotton, polycot and rayon. Cotton, polycot and rayon.
Okay. Okay.
Fourth option is acrylic, silk and wool. No,
Sir,
Karthik.
option B. Sir, option B, PVC, polythene and bakelite.
Very good, Karthik. Well done. So all PVC, polythene, bakelite are synthetic polymers. They are synthetic polymers. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
All of
Okay,
you
sir.
noted? Now I'm rubbing the board.
Yes,
Yes,
noted.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see some more questions. Question number 9. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a metal? Which of the following is not a metal? Which of the following is not a metal? A. Copper. B. Sulfur. C. Iron. D. Aluminium.
Sir, may I? Sir, may I?
Wait, first of all, you note down. Then next, another question, question number 10. Question number 10 says, which of the following reacts with cold water vigorously? Which of the following reacts with cold water vigorously? A option is copper. B. Magnesium. C. Sodium. And
Sir,
D
may
is iron. Now, this question, the question number 9 will be answered by Shubham Kumar. Shubham Kumar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please answer question number 9. Read out and answer.
Okay, sir. Sir, question is which of the following is not a metal?
Yes.
Options are copper, sulfur, iron, and aluminium. The answer is B, sulfur.
Sulfur. All others are metals. Copper is a metal, iron is a metal, aluminium is a metal, but sulfur is a non-metal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Karishma Meghwal, are you there?
सर करिश्मा के आ चुके हैं
Karishma Meghwal.
Sir, may I?
Karishma Meghwal.
Sir, me. Yes, sir.
Please answer this question.
Yes,
Question number
sir.
10.
Which of the following reacts with cold water vigorously? Option A, copper. Option B, magnesium. Option C, sodium. Option D, iron. So, sir, I think its answer will be sodium.
Why sodium? Because sodium is highly reactive
Because
metal. That is why.
yes, sir, it's react vigorously.
That is why it is stored under kerosene. Do you know that?
Yes, sir. So, sodium and potassium.
Very good. So answer is sodium. So now, children, with this we have to bind up our class, today's class, and in the
So please,
classes,
For teaching us.
in the other classes also we will continue to solve MCQ questions. So please practice, prepare your chapters well. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay, thank you and have a nice
Okay,
day.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Thank you.